I have to tell y'all, I made Morgan re-pick out her ribbon last week. She done a real quick video and she brought me some, she like done it twice. And I was like, Morgan, go pick out different ribbon. But this is what she's picked out and I really, really love it. This is pretty. This is some pretty stuff. Are you using this, Morgan?
I think so.
You think so? Okay, I'm going to grab a wreath real quick. Like, actually, I'm going to grab this wreath, okay? This is a 24-inch. I'll get my duck out of the way so you guys can see. This is a 24-inch evergreen tree. I mean, wreath. I've been doing trees for too long. Y'all see how full this thing is?
Lots of people on. Do y'all see the wreath?
Yes. Welcome
So
in,
cool.
everyone. This, we just got this shipment in. Macy, was it this week or last week? This week. This week. We got this shipment in this week. We just got these out. This right here is going to blow up because I saw someone, I was watching someone's video. I'm not sure if they buy from us. It was a crafter. And she was doing double wreaths for a door this week. And she had to go to Hobby Lobby and buy an evergreen wreath. So everybody knows how much evergreen, not on sale. She was talking about how she paid full price for it. Okay, I want y'all to look at this. Very well made. Very thick. Macy, this is not an Oregon fir. What is this called? Colorado spruce.
Yeah.
Colorado spruce. Very long, very thick. Everybody look how thick this is. It's not like the other one we have. This one is super, super, super. I'm going to tell y'all how many cookies these are. 17.99 cookies. Okay, this is super, super good. I'm not even sure that, you know how everybody pushes in their wreaths? You can push this in. You're going to be able to form it, but you're going to have to work at it, okay? Because this is a very well-made wreath. I've mashed it a little bit. I'm going to make something with this. But I'm going to hang this up here. I wanted y'all to see this. We have these in stock right now. We also have the garland in stock, and I'll show you the garland in just a minute. Now, I typically do not fluff a wreath. If I was just going to put a bow on this, I would actually spend some time and fluff this out. But if you're going to fill it with mesh, you would actually spend some time and work on this. But I'm going to make Morgan's bow.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is like a 12-foot tree she's putting it on, right?
She hadn't decided if she's going to put it on a 12-foot tree or not. I think she was going to do like a star at the top of it.
That and a loop bow would be pretty. Are you
Oh,
making a loop bow?
I was not making a loop bow. Do you want me to make a loop bow?
Oh, I don't know.
Morgan, are you going to put this on and
But look how pretty that is. Just like that.
It's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Maybe we should just do loops. Let's just do loops then.
Is it for your
okay?
wreath or?
Okay.
It's for
Wherever.
a tree, I think.
Oh.
She told me she's putting a star at the top of her tree.
Yeah,
We're going to
so
make
I
this
didn't
bow
know
and
I
we're
would
going to
do
sell
a-
it here. Someone's going to come in. This is no
Morgan's not
Morgan's
getting
bow.
This may not be my bow.
This is not Morgan's bow. This is going to be the next customer that comes in that says, "Oh my gosh, I love that bow. I want it." This is their bow.
Sorry, Morgan.
Morgan, we'll get you something else. We are selling a lot of this, you guys.
Beautiful.
I use this in the 5 golden rings, and everybody, I noticed back there on the shelf, a lot of it was gone and it needed to be restocked. Look though, then this is just a 2.5-inch gold here. Just gonna do a couple of loops on it. I'm gonna dovetail. I love all different streamers, all different lengths of streamers. I'm gonna dovetail here. So we got some people with us today, you guys.
Yep. Okay, y'all have hit the 2,000 likes. Let's get to 3.
Yay.
Jessica's from Golden, Mississippi.
Oh. Okay, I've done a loop of this gold. I want to do a loop of this. Oh, look, I love it that Morgan picked this out because do not steer away from this. This is a smoke blue. Would y'all call it a smoke blue?
It's
Yeah.
bluish gray is what
It's
it
a
says.
I
bluish
see more
gray.
blue, but it gives a gray.
It
too.
does. It does. And then it has this silver on the back, and she's using it with the gold. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm going to do a loop of it. Oh, so pretty. Long tail. I love this gold. Y'all like this gold?
Mm-hmm.
Is that too blingy for it?
Nah.
No such thing, is there? Another dovetail. I'm gonna do this one a little bit shorter. Okay. Let's dovetail this. All right, let's finish off. I want to finish off right here.
I love the ribbon.
This one.
Loop bows are good. Like if you have double doors, they're really pretty on like the wreaths. What's that wreath called? That's like Christmassy. That texture.
Cedar?
Yeah, like a cedar wreath.
Okay, I'm just finishing off on the top with this one. I'm gonna zip tie. Y'all know what? It's 1,000 wonders I have zip ties back here because I carried all my zip ties to the work where I was working in the Christmas room. Hey, we jumped on this live and we was just like, hey, before we get ready. Okay, I'm gonna zip tie and then I'm gonna slide that zip tie right underneath on the back side before I tighten it up really, really. Okay, dovetails on everything. Now you could actually fold this ribbon back how it is right here, but I like to dovetail. And on the velvet, sometimes it's a little like to dovetail it as well because, oh, let's turn this one. Let's actually cut it, turn it.
That's really pretty.
So pretty. This is very, very thick. It is a designer ribbon. I might should put just a little bit more blue in it, but
Pretty.
so pretty.